Hello folks, Marcelo Soares with TradeWiser with one more video analysis for Bitcoin. We are here on a daily chart and we can see that the Bitcoin at this very moment is trying to break out the top resistance that he has. It's a zone, it's a big zone of resistance that he has here. It goes from the price it is right now, let's put like 7,700 up to 8,000. So it's having a hard time to go through that. It's the second day, actually, almost the third day. Before that, it tested like two times, but just that. And now it is trying to go through. Considering that we have a bullish wedge, there's no problem at all because we are still in it and we have a lot of room to go up. Let's say like 8,100. It could be a possibility. Okay. If we check the stochastic, we can see that it is in the upper zone, the overbought zone, and we have the relative strength index saying that it wants to go down, as well as we have the same sign on the price spread and also on the money pressure. Okay, so let's just keep our eyes on that because it's, and we also have the volume wave fading, which means that we have a few signals saying that we might be ending this um, upper movement. Okay, let's keep our eyes on that. But this is in the big run, so we have to move down. Let's move down to the 4 hour chart. There's something interesting here. But before that, just remind you guys that this analysis is already available on all my social networks. Okay, and that my disclaimer says that this opinion is just my opinion. Okay, it's not investment suggestion advisory. Okay, and some of you guys might have noticed that on my site I have here a online live course that should take place sometime maybe next week or so, and it's right now it would be a training for in the Brazilian language. Okay, it's I'm due to the coronavirus thing, I'm not being able to do the the filming of my the recording of my video class, so I can stream it on the on whatever website courses, and I also can do presential training. So I decided to change a little bit and just move on with the online live course. Okay, I've been doing this with a small number of people just to test it to see how it's going to go on, and they are liking it a lot. So I figured out that I don't have any change from the presential course to the online one. So it's the same quality, it's the same amount of hours, and so it looked like it is working nice and neat. So hopefully soon I'll be releasing this training also in English. Okay, so I would appreciate if you guys could just hold on a little more. All right. Okay, let's go back here to the 4 hour chart. We can see that there is a uptrend channel going on, and we are reaching the decision point at this very moment. So maybe by the end of the day or something like 9 p.m. UTC minus 3 time, we might see these prices touching this uptrend line right here. Okay, and the price is gonna have to decide, or I'm gonna go up something like 8,800, which is no problem at all, or it is going to go down. Okay, as we can see, the relative strength index on the 4 hour is slightly moving down, suggesting that it might go down. So let's keep our eyes on that to see how that's going to go on. Okay. We still didn't lose the short-term trend um, for the positive move, but it looks like soon we if it keeps on going like this, we might lose it. Let's just give a zoom on it. Here we go. There's no difference between the lines anymore, so they are having a huge dispute right here to see who's gonna go up, who's gonna go down. Okay, so let's keep our eyes on that as well. What else do we have here? Let me shorten this a little bit. We have the money pressure going up, still going up, and we have doubts on the spread price. So let's see how it's going to move and how things are going to work for the prices on that indicator. Okay, I'm just putting everything back here. Okay, here we go. We're good again. Okay, nice. Okay, let's move now for the 1 hour chart. Here we have new stuff. Look, I was able to draw two upper channels, a larger one and a smaller one. So when we look at the larger one, the pink one, we see that there's enough room for prices to go down. So let's say if it was to go down here right now, it can go down to 7,500 with not even compromising this upper channel. Okay, so let's see how that's going to move. But inside, we do have upper channels going on as well. So we have a spread here of 2.5%. Not bad to make some money. Okay, and the larger channel has a spread of, let's see, whoa, 8%. There's a lot of room. And let's say that the prices just decide to go up. It can go up to 8,200. Nice, right? But let's see how that's going to work out. For now, we have we had a peak right now here on the right side of this arrow. And since it's gone, I'm going to move this. Oh, let me go back. Okay, I'm going to move this arrow to this other point right here to see what could look like the future peak or bottom. Let's see. It depends all on the move that we're going to see in between the the extremes of this arrow. Let's see. Okay, we're good. So we might have another peak sometime tomorrow noon. Okay, lunchtime at Brazil time, UTC -3. So let's keep our mind on that and see how that's going to work out for us. Okay. For now, it looks like prices are going to go up on the 1 hour chart. We have positive move on the stochastic. As you guys can see, there's a green bar right here. We also have green going on the relative strength index. So it says that both are saying that it's going to go up. We do also have it on the spread price, on actually price spread, sorry, and it is going up. We have a positive sign on the volume wave pivot, saying that probably this negative wave is going to fade at any moment. Okay, so let's see how that's going to go on. For now, we see a red bar on there signing, this is the red bar, signing that it is still going down, but it can go yellow and then suddenly, or it can go just green actually. I just want to remind you guys that as you guys can see, there is no more light background color going on these indicators. I got a suggestion from the guy, hey Marcelo, maybe you want to change, we're having a hard time to see the colors on the background of your indicators. So maybe you can make it darker. But if I made it darker, it would mix up with the lines of the indicators, with the histogram, with the arrows and so on. So I decided to do something that I was thinking about for a while, and I end up doing it, and it looked better than I thought. So now we have each one of these indicators, the right side of it shows the color of the direction of the move of each one of these indicators. So green going up, yellow, there's a mix inside the indicator, a conflict between the sign that it has inside it and the red saying that it's going to go down. So it made everything easy for us to see. Uh, with our eyeballs. It just looks nice and neat. Okay, let's go here to the weekly chart. We can see that we reached the level of 61.8% of Fibonacci at 77.30, and it's having a really hard time to keep on moving up. But whatever it does, check out. We still keep on going up while the volume keeps on going down. Let's see how that is going to move. This is pretty strange. Okay, let's just jump back here. As you guys can see, we are still going up on the daily chart. We are having price going up, but we don't see the volume going up. It keeps going down. Folks, there's something very strange going on. So let's watch out on these indicators because it is important. Unless we see a boom explosion on these volume just going straight up and supporting prices, something is still suggesting that we might have a close situation, and we know that the halving is coming in, so it might be that. My expectation, actually, when you look on the daily chart, my expectation is the box, the move. I was expecting prices to go up here and start going down here, but it broke out this box and it's going up. So it could come from up here and go down like this. I don't know. Let's just keep our eyes on that. I owe you guys analysis on my Bitcoin halving chart, and I promise to do this soon. Okay. So the weekly chart still say that we have a bottom reversal, and it is going nice and neat. Okay, even though it goes up, we can go up to the incredible 900 before breaking out this symmetrical triangle. So technically, there's no problem at all going here, but we have a volume issue that just doesn't fade. Okay, it just doesn't end up with a solution. To end everything, we have the monthly chart still working its bottom reversal, still going down, but we just have to leave it like that. Before the halving, I don't think anything's going to happen. Okay, that's it, folks, for today. Hopefully, I was able to help you guys with my vision of the market. And for now, I believe that 8,000 could be a target. Over that, more than that, I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Even though we have, after we break out this resistance, there's another resistance at 8,500. Well, maybe it could be some speculations, and we can see prices going up there. But right now, with this volume thing, with the halving coming in, I don't know what to think. It's kind of hard to see this guy going up. But anyway, I'm not telling you guys to trade or not to trade. What I'm telling you guys is we have a projection. We have to figure out how to trade inside this projection, okay? And try to make money and take care to don't let the market get your money. Okay, that's it, folks, for today. Thank you very much. If you guys please would like to go down here right now and give me a like, I would appreciate that. Any comments, any suggestion, any feedback will be very well received. Okay, I appreciate you guys watching this video, and please follow me too. Okay, now it is showtime. Take care.